The majority of Honda Fit or Jazz cars have a 151R battery installed from new, which is really inadequate and tends to die far sooner than it should do. A lower percentage of the Fit or Jazz cars have a 51R battery installed. As you can see from this chart, the 51R has far more code crank amps and reserve capacity compared to the 151R battery. The 51R battery is slightly larger than the 151R battery, so it will require a larger battery tray, which is available via Honda, or you can adapt the current battery tray. I decided to adapt the current battery tray by comparing its size to the new 51R battery, and then to make several cuts in this corner using a small handsaw and some snips. These two vertical areas need to be folded flat as shown. A quick test, and the new 51R battery now fits within the original tray. Now refit everything in the car and you're good to go with a superior battery. If you have any comments or questions, please put them below. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.